Greetings, everyone. Today, we're on a journey to uncover the secrets hidden in one of the most unassuming corners of your kitchen, the mighty olive oil. Have you ever wondered if the key to better men's health and improved performance might just be sitting on your pantry shelf? Yes, we're talking about olive oil, the humble liquid gold that graces our salads and sauté pans. But did you know it's loaded with health benefits, specially tailored to enhance men's well-being? Join us as we embark on this fascinating journey, exploring the scientific wonders that lie within olive oil. Let's kick things off by diving deep into the heart of the matter: how the monounsaturated fats in olive oil contribute to cardiovascular health. These healthy fats play a pivotal role in reducing bad cholesterol and elevating the good, maintaining healthy blood vessels, and standing as a fortress against the buildup of plaque that could lead to heart disease. But that's not the end of the story. Olive oil is not just a source of fats, it's a treasure trove of polyphenols, compounds renowned for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory prowess. These polyphenols act as guardians, reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, two silent culprits behind heart disease. Now, let's talk about anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation, a natural response to injury or disease, can sometimes go awry, leading to serious health issues. Enter olive oil, a golden elixir loaded with compounds like oleocanthal, akin to the well-known anti-inflammatory drug ibuprofen. Incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine might just dial down your body's inflammatory response. Now, let's unravel the antioxidant-rich nature of olive oil. Picture it as nature's shield against harmful free radicals. Some studies even hint at a potential link between antioxidants and improved sexual health. It turns out that antioxidants might play a role in maintaining healthy cells and tissues in the reproductive system. Have you ever thought about the connection between olive oil and hormonal balance? Surprisingly, olive oil has potential effects on hormones, especially testosterone production. Published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, a study found that men who consume diets rich in monounsaturated fats, like those in olive oil, had higher testosterone levels. Now, let's discuss the relationship between olive oil and improved blood circulation. With its high content of monounsaturated fats, olive oil becomes nature's lubricant, ensuring your blood vessels operate at their optimum capacity. This improved blood flow isn't just beneficial for cardiovascular health, it could have a significant impact on men's sexual health. How can you incorporate this powerhouse into your nightly routine? Picture this: a spoonful of olive oil before bedtime. This simple act allows your body to absorb the essential nutrients throughout the night, potentially supporting hormonal balance and improved blood circulation, both crucial for optimal erectile function. Before we wrap up, a few practical tips. When choosing olive oil, look for the extra virgin label, a sign of the highest quality. Start with a small amount before bed. Remember, olive oil is not a magic cure-all. It's a valuable addition to a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to the surprising benefits of olive oil for men's health and improved performance in bed. Whether it's bolstering cardiovascular health, reducing inflammation, supporting hormonal balance, or enhancing blood circulation, olive oil has proven to be a versatile ally. Thank you for joining us in exploring natural remedies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.